today, let's have a reading and speaking practice using basic sentences. Let's practice. I am chalk. I am a short stick. I am soft. I can be white or colored. You can write with me on the blackboard. I am a computer. I am a machine. I have a lot of parts. I store information. I find answers very quickly. I am a sponge. I am soft. I have a lot of small holes. My neighbor has some chalk. You can clean the blackboard with me. I am a board. I am on the wall. I am dark. I am usually black or green. You can write to me with chalk. I am a calculator. I am small. I am an electronic instrument. I can add, subtract, multiply, and divide. You can use me on maths lesson. I am a school bag. I can be made of cloth or leather. I am usually colorful. You can hold your things in me. You can carry me on your back. I am a chair. I am a piece of furniture. I have 4 legs. I have a seat and back. You can sit on me. I am a pencil case. I am a kind of box. I have different forms. I can be big or small. You can hold your pencils and pens in me. I am scissors. I am a tool. I have 2 sharp parts. My parts are joined together. I cut things. I am a crayon. I am soft. I am thick. I am colored. You can draw with me. I am a globe. I have a ball shape. I have 1 leg to stand on. I have a map of the world. I am very useful for geography lessons. I am a map. I am a drawing. I will show you the world. You can see mountains, rivers, seas, on me. I am colorful. I am a notebook. I am thin. I have clean pages. I usually have colorful cover pages. You can write to me. I am glue. I am liquid. I stick things together. I am transparent. I have no plural. I am a pen. I am not very long. I have colored ink. It is made of plastic or metal. You can write to me. I am a book. I can be thin or thick. I have a lot of pieces of paper. I usually have pictures, too. You can read me. I am a pencil. I am thin. It is made of wood. I have gray or colored stuff inside. You can draw or write with me. I am a ruler. I am long. It is made of plastic or wood. You can use me for drawing straight lines. You can measure things with me. I am an eraser. I am small. I am usually white. You can take away your pencil marks with me.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.